thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County and central North Carolina, Stanley County and central North Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Pleasant, or 9 miles west of Albemarle, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Baden Lake, Plyler, Norwood, Baden, Richfield, New London, Uwharrie Haven, Morrow Mountain State Park, and Finger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Montgomery, and Stanley